Everyone, how are you? I feel all better. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Kridhu Verse. Today we are going to read Newton's law of cooling. So let's start. So the basic definition of Newton's law of cooling is the rate of change of temperature of body is proportional to the difference of temperature of the body that of surrounding medium. Means what? The changement in a temperature, the rate at which the temperature of a body is changing, is directly proportional to the difference between the temperature of the body and of surrounding medium. Okay, so like in another word, I'm telling, like suppose one body near you there, suppose something taken, that temperature changing with some rate. So that rate of change of that temperature of that body is proportional to the difference of temperature of the body that of surrounding medium, like with respect to surrounding medium. Okay, so with an example, we'll understood or some derivation type. So we're taking theta as body temperature and theta naught as surrounding temperature. These 2 points will take. So d theta over dt is the rate of change of temperature with respect to time. With respect to time. Okay. So as per our definition, the rate of change of temperature of body is respect to or is proportional to the difference of the temperature of body and the surrounding medium. So that we're writing here. D theta over dt is proportional to the theta, that is body temperature, and minus d naught or as theta naught. It is surrounding temperature. Now we're replacing this sign of proportional here, so we're writing d theta over dt equal to minus k theta naught theta minus theta naught. That is equation first we taken. Okay, so we taken theta d theta over dt as rate of change of temperature with respect to time. Theta body temperature, theta naught surrounding temperature. That is proportional to each other. Now proportional sign is removing is theta over dt equal to minus k in bracket theta minus theta naught. That is equation first we taken. Now we have to apply the integration to equation number first after doing the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication is what? Theta minus theta naught will come to theta naught d theta side, and minus k will integrate with respect to dt. So here we'll see integration d theta over theta minus theta naught equal to minus k integration dt. Now 1 by theta minus theta naught integration with respect to d theta is log theta minus theta naught. Dt integration is t, so minus kt plus c. Now we sending this log to the other side, log to this side, log. So this will be theta minus theta naught equal to e power minus kt plus c. Because we know log if going other side means it changing to exponential. So e minus kt plus c we can write as e minus kt multiplied by e power c. I think you know this formula. We can write this like this. So now theta equal to theta naught plus e minus kt a. Now what we done, we extended this theta minus theta naught to other side, it became possible. So theta equal to theta naught plus e minus kt a. A is here ec. AC we taken as a. See the first problem based on the Newton law of cooling. So the problem we taken is if the air is maintained at 40 degrees Celsius, this theta naught is 40 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next, the temperature of body cools from 80 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Means difference. So theta equal to 80 at t equal to 0. Theta equal to 60 at t equal to 20. Next, find temperature of body after 40 minutes. Means theta we have to find at t equal to 40. This is our problem. Which they given. We applying Newton law of cooling. What is Newton law of cooling we read? It is theta equal to theta naught plus e minus kt a. This we taken as equation number 1. In previous equation, in previous while we explaining the neutral of cooling, that time I said theta equal to theta naught plus E minus KTA. Here A is EC. Okay. So we know firstly we applying here theta equal to 80 degree at T equal to 0. Okay. So we applied put theta equal to 80 at T equal to 0. Okay. So theta here we kept 80. 80 equal to 40 plus 40 means theta naught. We know already. So 80 equal to 40 plus E minus K power 0 because T is 0. A. So this 40 is going other side, so 80 minus 40 is 40 plus E power 0 is equal to 1 minus E power 0 equal to 1. Now the A value we got that we keep in question number 1. So theta equal to theta naught plus E minus KT into 40. That is equation number 2 we take. Keep theta equal to 60, T equal to 20 in equation number 2. Okay, what is our equation number 2? Theta equal to theta naught plus E power minus KT 40. This is we got equation number 2. And this will keep theta equal to 60, T equal to 20. So now we keeping that. So theta we shifted with 60, theta naught minus 40 plus E power minus K 20 because T here 20 into 40. So now this 40 is we sending to this side, this 40 to this side. So what we getting? 60 minus 40 equal to 20 we got here. Next equal to E power minus 20k into 40. Now what we will do? This 40 will send to this side. So here what is that? E power minus 20k equal to 20 by 40. Okay. So 20 by 40 we will get 1 by 2. So e power minus 20k equal to 1 by 2. This will take as equation number 3. So now put t equal to 40 and theta not equal to 40 in the equation number 2. So now theta equal to 40 because here theta we don't know. This temperature we have to find out. So 40 we kept as we know theta naught plus e power minus 40k because t here 40 into 40. This is the equation number 2 we know. So theta equal to 40 plus e power minus 40k we can write whole e power minus 20k whole square because this we know formula e power a whole power b. We can write e power a b. This we can write. So by following this, we writing here e power minus 20k whole square into 40. So theta equal to 40 plus 1 by 2 because e power minus 20k from equation 3rd will take that is half. So half square into 40. So theta equal to 40 plus 1 by 4 into 40. So this will cut. Here we are getting 10. So theta equal to 50 degrees Celsius. This is our final answer. So thank you for watching. So like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel for more videos.